with the 68 Chevy resurrected from the grave in Toledo Bend, Mr. Daryl Moody. Hey Blanchard, where you at? 04 Chevy. Don't tell anyone, but it's got some extra horsepower under the hood. For Chevy sedan, Mike Mims. The orange and black 05 Chevy Corvette, Mr. Brian Rome. The 23 Ford Model T, silver and gray, Craig LaRocca. 2019 Ford F-150, silver. We got a lot of fast vehicles out here today, actually. Mr. Randy Davy, 2010 Chevy Z06 Corvette. Nope, don't give it to him. All right, Mr. John Hicks, 2017 Ford Mustang GT PP Performance Pack. Hey, and if you guys don't know John, he kind of invented and runs muscle cars at Lake Charles. When did you start that, John? Like yesterday?
Yeah, November.
November last year, man. It's just blown up, and John's a big part of this community too. So thank you, John. Appreciate it. He has a cool car as well. And last but not least, Mike Landcalls with your 69 Chevy. Beautiful car. What color is that? Beyond Bronze.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Gunner doesn't even have his license yet, but he's got a motorcycle and a truck already. Pendavaris, is that right, Henry? Yellow Chevy, the Corvette motor. That was best truck. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first time to actually do this. Oh, club participation. Yeah, hey, awesome car clubs around here, y'all. I think the most we had was 11 participants, and that was with Mr. Jeremy with Lake Area Mustangs. Hey, let me tell you, it's hard to get 2 people to come with you, much less 11. So that's awesome.